Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you guys another bullet journal spread, and today is for June, which is my favorite month of the year, and you guessed it, it's because it's my birthday month. So strap on in with some classic bullet journal designs and a little bit of twist. Of course, I started it off with a title page, and on the first page, as usual, is month at a glance with a little simple canvas setup, and I just added a moon and sun symbol at the end because I thought it made it a little bit more jazzed up. And then I followed it up with my classic tarot card title page. Not to be super narcissistic, but the theme I chose for this month's bullet journal is the Queen, because it's my birthday, so I'm the Queen. Definitely a little bit self-centered, but hey, I deserve to treat myself. And I really liked how this design turned out because you can see the Queen is holding a moon. And fun fact, my name in Chinese sounds super similar to the moon, so I always thought the moon and I had a connection, and one of my favorite songs in the world is called Moon, so there's that. I'm also keeping in theme with a flower for each season, so for winter I chose the frangipani because it is my favorite flower, and I thought why not put it for my birthday month and winter in general. Today, to colour in my tarot card, I decided to go with something a little bit different. I whipped out my old watercolour pencils from I think my 4th grade, and I decided to use that to do my background because it's quite fun, and I felt like I was really doing some drawing and art as well as painting at the same time, and it was just really fun and relaxing to do these designs. I also used some felt tip liners as well as highlighters to then really accentuate everything and make some particular aspects of my design pop. Moving on to the next page is my lifestyle tracker. I really love this format I am using right now. It is like a grid and checkbox all at the same time, so one day is one color depending on my mood, and if I do complete a habit I get to color that box in, and it's just super satisfying, and I think the perfectionist in me will love trying to do everything on my habit tracker. And on the page adjacent to it is my gratitude log. You can see some scribbling here, but that's because it is a watercolor pencil, so it doesn't really matter if it gets too messy. I actually really like the textures that came out with it because I will be writing on top of it later on anyway, so it will cover most of the scribbles, but it's just so fun to have some texture and imperfection in my bullet journal. I love it. Rolling on to the next page, I have my weekly to-do list. Unfortunately, not everything is perfect in life because I do have uni when I have my birthday, so yes, I will have to be working quite a bit and probably quite burnt out if I'm being honest. But I really like this setup for my weekly spread, and I just want everything in my birthday month to be tried and true and things that I know will work for me. So this row and horizontal setup is really doing it for me, and it just maximizes everything that I can do in a month. It's super usable and just so easy to set up, as well as being aesthetic. On the page adjacent to this, I decided to have a monthly goals page. I guess it's the idea of the new age, new me, but I wanted to really organize myself and set up some goals. I really love this method I am using here. I split it into 3 big sections, which are health, academic, and beauty, and also had a main huge goal such as I want to be more fit and flexible, and breaking it down to small steps. How will I become more fit and healthy? I will start doing more push-ups. I will be able to touch my toes with my hands, etc. Just breaking it into small feasible steps to reach your ultimate goal in the end. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some of the spreads useful, because I wanted this month to really just focus on everything that worked out for me, since I want my birthday month to be absolutely perfect, or as close to perfect as possible. I definitely have to say I love this new style of lifestyle tracker that I'm using. It's just super versatile and just self-explanatory, and I love the simple weekly to-do list. It's just great. And the monthly goals, I really hope that can change my own mindset of how to achieve goals. And that's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye guys.